Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, I'm going to post a video. The video is, well, I don't know. When I tell them it's a Moby, it's Hollywood. When I tell them it's a Moby, no matter how you hear them talk about Steven Spielberg, Tom Hanks, Tom Cruise, Rambo, them are the wannabes. Moby is Jamaica's real Hollywood. I'm going to show you a clip. No lives were lost, so we can have a little fun with it. Right? Big up the soldier. Right? Look like I'm going to be alright. But I'm have to show this video clip because I can't even describe it. Right? No lives were lost, so hopefully YouTube don't have a problem with it, but you don't know. Right? You never know with them. But check out the video. You've probably seen it by now, but I'm going to watch it in real time, then watch it in slow motion. Check this out. Now make us slow it down. As you can see, the vehicle head towards the water. Now if you did just go straight into the water, that wouldn't be Hollywood. That would be normal, that would be expected. Then maybe you wouldn't, then you'd say, well, that's what you expect. But here comes the movie star. Here comes the real Tom Hanks. Here comes the real Jet Li. Look for the soldier right now. Watch it. Blows and skirt. Yo, the boss truck out and roll. Vehicle gone about it business. Tell me some Moby and Hollywood. Only in Montego Bay. Only in St. James. If that was in any other parish, soldier gone, vehicle gone, equipment gone, not in Moby. Man have to jump out and roll 2 times and do a bad boy flick. This is the real Hollywood. Fun and joke aside, and most gays in my gays aren't drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on this one. Because 1 minute him a drive along nice, and I'm gonna see like the RAV4 stop on him suddenly. Him run go in at the back of the RAV4, so I don't know. I mean, when you hear me talk about the fact that many members of the JDF are bored because them have to just sit down at checkpoint, can't do nothing, can't go nowhere. So you mean if you tell me say, at this, man have to resort to get little action in them life. Man have to know how to take it to the water and I test them rolling skills. Man have to test them backflip skills. Man have to test them cartwheel skills. This is the only excitement the man them get. Imagine the man them sit down at checkpoint so long. That the man them have to now seek out little danger. Seek out little madness. Just forget the rush for them join the military for. I can't believe it. See, Squaddy did expect say him a go bail out a vehicle and I take on 87. Him did expect say him a go in the dirt and elbow go chip up and then when he go home, right, and him wife or him girlfriend say what happened to you and him say boy, the man them run a Norwood about 3 hours the man them have been and shoot him and tell about me alright still, you know. That him they expect. Instead the man sit down on chair, a checkpoint, a check ID, right, and I ask people full question. Where you go? Where you do? Where you work? Where you eat? Where you eat? What kind of shirt that? Who sell it? you ever I get bad things in that joke sometimes. Can't make the government take the JDF to the puppy show. The man them ask some questions that don't even make sense. The man ask some questions that you can tell. Say, them just try to hold a conversation. Bored out of their minds. So even though they are say boy that video look like Hollywood, at least finally the private or whoever the Lance Corporal finally have something to talk about. Because for the last 2-3 years, him probably a go man, family ask him, so what happened today? That one checkpoint and miss one pro box, but it clean still. You want to see how the man rims it up? Man, rims them nice, all the interior fresh. But I expect for you that. If the military is deployed on the street, we say they might help with crime, man, I expect for you to say there was an altercation, yes, already, say, we finally catch one of the most wanted man, say, one brother that terrorized the whole of Cambridge, him that terrorized the whole of Franklinton, so we finally catch him. That people want hear. That him wife want hear, that him girlfriend want hear. That's who she get married to, that's who she want. Next thing she hear about, well, today upon the checkpoint was another long day. We saw about 300 Axios and 2 new BMWs. But overall it was a good day. That's the assessment. The checkpoints not make no sense. We just have trained soldiers sit down upon them. It not make no sense. They're static. 87s figure them out. 87s know which part them they and know who they upon them. And then here's the next thing. Because them have so much vehicle that pass through, them have to make quick assessments based on that. Make a search that one. Whatever metric they might use for the side of the vehicle might have something in it. 87s already know that. 87 know say once 3-4 of them look a certain way, pull up in an Axio, they might get searched. So you know what them do? Them get to Kerry. Kerry with our new 2021 RAV4. We're going to just pull up to the checkpoint, smile with the JDF soldiers. Hi! Teeth them white and pretty. When the private see that, when the constable see that, when him cheek them light up. Him say, have a good day, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am. Say that true. Then time they get RAV4 full of rifle, full of ammo. And then about 5 minutes behind now, J-Bud them pull up in the Axio. Hey, pull over here, sir, fly the trunk. One bag of searching and one, you don't find nothing. 87s figure out the system. Because when you're static and them can move on them own time, then them can plan because the ball in a for them court. You catch 87s when time you make them have a second guess and dub and them have a alright, them a come, what I go do? But when you make them have time to sit down and plot and strategize, all of a sudden, when it comes down to acidity, them IQ gone through the roof. Have to be proactive. You have to go for them. You have to go look for them. You have to go dig up this, dig up that. Nobody thinks the man of God try to go through a checkpoint with truck full of K, and trunk full of 16 and all that kind of thing. Especially if him knows that him have a certain image, him knows say you now make him drive through. Him knows say you pull him over, him knows say you give him a search. So, him just make himself be the decoy, make you feel like you do something, and then him baby mother, all him grandmother, maybe even him pastor, who knows, gone through with the heavy machine them. And you think to yourself, boy, look how long we up on the checkpoint, I will not even find a one pop. Come on. Surely the bigger heads them, I think so. That is actually going to reap any real rewards. And it has been going on long enough for them to say, well, we now have 3, 4, 500 weapons that we'll find, so we could see what we can adapt and what we can adjust. I don't know. I'm just saying if results is the name of the game and not show, say I just got this is what happening. Enough time the leaders them do things for us, show say them are quote unquote work. But I'm looking at the numbers and the fact that after all this time, even time them base out something like Moby, St. James, we know say rifle did they like our son out of Hillshire. Well, son used to that Hillshire cause right now all the Hillshire soon gone. God bless the piece of land where they fought it. Right, but I digress. The fact say We know you say them and find this and find that. So we say, as a strategy, in terms of catching 87s, catching wanted man, it's not working. No, I don't know if the plan was to just slow down traffic and make people take longer to go them a go. In that case, then it's highly effective. If that was the goal, then well done. But from what I see, man, go up on them apps, come back from them apps, go here, so do this, all this, right through the checkpoint them. So, I don't know. But again, you have to bear in mind, say, I'm just a YouTuber, right, who just bad mind scammer artists and lawyers and make up things to get views. That's something I don't know. Maybe they might see something I not see. Maybe there are some stats to they might use it for judges as success where it's not available to the public. And based on that, them saying what it is worth having all these soldiers stand up at checkpoint. I don't know. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.